Hey guys, welcome. If you need to change your child's password in Google Family Link or update it, this is how to do this. So to change your Google account password, open the Google Family Link app or your parent device, select your child's profile from the home screen, then tap on Controls, Account Settings and Account Info. After that, press on Change Password. Right, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account password to confirm. After that, enter a new password for your child's account and tap on Save. Make sure it's something secure but memorable. They'll need it to sign into YouTube, Gmail, and other Google services. So, to change your own password as well, you need to go to myaccount.google.com, Security tab, Password, then enter your current password and type in the new one. This does not affect Family Link supervision settings, only updates login security. And that's how to change the password in Google Family Link, whether it's your child's or your own. Like and subscribe for more family safety and digital parenting guides, and of course drop the comment if you want help with screen time limits or app approvals next. Thank you for watching, guys.